Welcome to the Forbidden City. It stands as a monument to Beijing's imperial legacy. It was built in the early 15th century during the Ming Dynasty, and this sprawling palace complex served as the home of emperors for over 500 years. With nearly 1,000 buildings and countless artifacts, the Forbidden City is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and an essential destination for history enthusiasts. When you walk through its courtyards, it feels like you're stepping back in time, offering a glimpse into the opulence and grandeur of China's dynastic past. Tiananmen Square is the heart of Beijing and a symbol of modern China. As one of the largest public squares in the world, it has been the site of significant historical events that shaped China. You can explore landmarks such as the Monument to the People's Heroes, the Great Hall of the People, and the National Museum of China. The square's proximity to the Forbidden City underscores its importance as a cultural and political hub. Your visit to Beijing would not be complete without a journey to the Great Wall of China. Just an hour's drive from the city, this ancient marvel stretches over 13,000 miles and is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. The Muxianyu and Badaling sections near Beijing offer stunning views and well-preserved pathways for exploration. The Great Wall's history spans several dynasties, which served as a defense mechanism and a symbol of unity. The Great Wall's enduring presence continues to inspire awe in visitors from around the world. Beijing's cultural heritage is a tapestry of traditions passed down through generations. You can experience the artistry of the Chinese opera with its vivid costumes and dramatic storytelling. Check out the local craftsmen who are keeping traditions alive with paper cutting and mask making, offering a window into Beijing's creative spirit. Meanwhile, the tea ceremonies provide a peaceful escape, celebrating a cornerstone of Chinese culture. These experiences will connect you to the soul of Beijing and its enduring cultural identity. While Beijing is steeped in history, it is also a thriving modern metropolis. The city's skyline features cutting-edge architecture such as the National Center for the Performing Arts, also known as the Egg. Shopping districts like Wangfujing Street and Sanlitun offer everything from luxury brands to local street food. Beijing's efficient subway system connects its historic sites to its vibrant urban core, making it a city of endless discovery. You may wonder why Beijing was once called Peking. The name change reflects the evolution of how Chinese names were Romanized or written in the Roman alphabet. Peking is derived from an older French-influenced system of transliteration used in the 19th and early 20th centuries, based on the pronunciation of Beijing in regional Chinese dialects. In 1958, the Chinese government officially adopted the Pinyin system, which better reflects Mandarin pronunciation. Under this system, the city's name became Beijing, which means northern capital. This change aligned with the Mandarin pronunciation of Beijing, ensuring greater consistency and accuracy in how Chinese names are represented worldwide. While Peking is still seen in historical contexts, like in Peking Duck or Peking University, Beijing now stands as the city's official and internationally recognized name. Before we wrap up, here are 5 interesting facts about Beijing. Beijing has been China's capital for over 800 years and served as the political and cultural center during the Yuan, Ming, and Qing dynasties. The Temple of Heaven, which was built in 1420, was a site for imperial sacrifices and remains a symbol of harmony between humans and the heavens. Beijing hosted the 2008 Summer Olympics and was the first city to host both the Summer and Winter Games, with the Winter Olympics held in 2022. The city's hutongs date back to the Yuan dynasty and offer a glimpse into traditional community life. Peking duck, which is Beijing's most famous dish, has a history dating back to the imperial era and is a must-try for any visitor. These facts highlight Beijing's rich history and unique character. From the ancient landmarks to the vibrant traditions, Beijing will offer an unforgettable journey through the heart of China. Whether you're drawn to its history, culture, or modern energy, this city has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Let us know in the comments what you'd love to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next journey.